So I'm here with Dan. So Dan, do you want to tell us a little bit about what you do here at Daley's Nursery?
Mostly potting up. I do a lot of orchard maintenance and just general nursery maintenance, so pruning, mulching, composting, and just stepping pots up from one size to the next.
So can you tell me where your interest in plants come from? Have you worked with plants before coming here to Daley's Nursery?
Yeah, I've done a Certificate 3 in horticulture many years ago, and then moved to arboriculture, and then to conservation and land management.
Yeah, so lots of different experiences.
Yeah.
And have you got a particular interest in fruit trees?
Yeah, I like fruit trees. I also like native trees as well, and I think it's good to combine a balance of both.
Yeah, I'd agree with that. And growing plants is obviously a passion of yours. Have you got your own sort of home orchard? Do you have a garden, or do you grow things yourself in your own life?
Yeah, I always have. I've recently acquired a property, so I'm just, I guess, at the beginning stages of setting up, orchard gardens and plus a native forest to complement all of that.
Oh, fantastic. Well, that all works beautifully. And I've got the one big question that I've been asking everyone. What is your favourite fruit?
That's a bit of an unfair question, but honestly, locusts. I really love locusts because they're just hardy, tough, always taste brilliant. If you can get them before the birds get them.
Oh, well, that's as good a reason as any. Well, thank you very much. So that's Dan.